The day Nikki passed away, we were scheduled to see a psychiatrist. She'd had some psychotic issues where she had a brain tumor when she was very young, and it was time to do some research on her. I think she was feeling nervous that if she were to go to this appointment, she might get stuck in the hospital, because that had happened before. And at some point, a couple hours before her appointment, she left the house. She took Christos's Porsche and drove away.
I saw all the police, and I started to walk down the on-ramp, and they stopped me. And they said I wasn't allowed down there. And I asked if it was my daughter in the car, or what car it was. They wouldn't give me any information. And then a crane lifted up the car. And once it lifted up the car, I realized it was the Porsche.
Adding to the tragedy, a first responder took photos of the nearly decapitated head of the girl and emailed it to some friends. Almost instantly, the pictures were out on the internet, and hundreds of thousands, possibly millions, clicked on them. Hoping to avoid a new wave of sick curiosity, we are here not even showing a picture of Nikki alive, only a place in the house she liked.
Up until I saw the pictures on the internet, I had an image of Nikki as a perfect face, perfect condition. The coroner told us, the only thing the coroner told us is that a portion of her thumb had been severed in the accident and that she had head trauma, but they never gave us any detail. So I was focused on the thumb. I received emails with the pictures attached, and there was a short time after the accident. It was disguised. I didn't know who the email came from, and I opened it up. And the bad ones were very hateful, very hateful towards me, towards Nikki, towards our family. It said, "Dead girl walking, woohoo daddy, I'm still alive."
Woohoo.
Woohoo.
Do you still feel the pain when you receive this?
Yes.
And it's never gonna leave you?
Never.
Some of the hate mail was so unspeakably horrifying that we cannot repeat it here.
We were told there was nothing that could be done because there's no law in place for pictures of deceased people, because when they pass away, their privacy rights go with them.
I didn't know such depravity existed in humans, and I think dogs treat their kind better than humans treat their kind. It's just, there is no dignity or respect on the internet because we're not held accountable. Nobody's there to tell us not to. I have always believed that the internet is a manifestation of the Antichrist, of evil itself. It is the spirit of evil. And I feel like it's running through everybody on earth, and it's claiming its victories in those people that are also evil.